In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to rotate in Figma. By the end, you'll confidently turn any object in your design to the exact angle you want, using the on-canvas rotation handle, keeping everything clear and simple. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once the site loads, head to the file that contains the design you want to work on and open it so you can see your canvas. Give the page a moment to fully render, especially if it's a large project, so the interface feels responsive while you edit. Now, choose the element you want to rotate. This could be a shape, an image, a frame, a text layer, or a group. Click it once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it. With the object selected, move your cursor just outside one of the corners of that bounding box. As you hover near the corner, Figma reveals the rotation handle. It looks like an open-ended circular arrow, and it will appear only when you're in the right spot near the edge. To rotate, click and hold that open-ended arrow, then drag your mouse in the direction you want the object to turn. You can drag clockwise or counterclockwise. Simply follow the arc of your mouse movement. As you drag, watch the object pivot around its center point. Figma shows you the rotation angle in real time, so you can see how far you've turned it. Move slowly for precision, and use small, controlled movements if you need fine adjustments. If the canvas feels tight or your object is small, zooming in before you drag makes subtle rotations much easier to dial in. If you overshoot the angle, keep holding the mouse and gently drag back the other way until it looks right. Release the mouse button to set the final rotation. For multiple elements, repeat the same process. Click to select, hover to reveal the handle, then drag to rotate, one element at a time so you can keep your layout balanced. If the rotation handle doesn't appear, double-check that the element is selected and that your cursor is hovering just outside the corner of the bounding box, not inside it. Move the cursor slowly until you see the open-ended arrow, then begin your drag. That's all it takes. Open the Figma website, open your design, click the element, hover to reveal the rotation handle, and drag to rotate. With a bit of practice, this becomes a quick, fluid motion you can use throughout your workflow to get every angle just right.